Data science applies tools, formulas, and machine learning to uncover latent patterns in unprocessed data. How is that different from what statisticians have been doing for decades? Difference between data analyst and data scientist. An analyst is simply looking at past data to tell us what did, in fact, happen. A data scientist does that, but also so much more. They find new concepts and apply them with sophisticated computer code to forecast which way things will go next. What data science does? Data science is helping in decision-making and prediction by using certain methods. Predictive causal analytics tells us if something is going to happen or not, like if a customer will pay a loan within time. Why data science matters now? Previously, data was tidy and small, and thus rudimentary tools could manage it. Nowadays, much data is big, messy, and from numerous sources such as videos, text, and sensors. Acquire data science to interpret it all. How data science benefits business and everyday life. Data science enables businesses to understand what customers need by looking at their history of browsing or shopping. Autocars employ data science to drive safely on the roads. Weather forecasts and warnings for natural disasters are improved by data science models that leverage a significant amount of sensor data. What is a data scientist? Data scientist is a person who applies science, math, and stats in analyzing data and solving problems. They apply special techniques and software to transform raw data into meaningful information. Phase 1. Discovery. Before you start, you must be aware of the project goals, requirements, and budget. You must ask the right questions and have sufficient people, tools, and time, and information in hand for the project. Step 2. Data preparation. Here, you set the data to be ready to analyze. You store the data in a special area to work with on the project. You clean the data, fix errors, and arrange it with a process called ETLT, extract, transform, load, transform. Stage 3. Planning the model. Now you determine how to pursue the relationships in the data. This will help you formulate the algorithms in the following step. Phase 4. Model building. During this stage, you create sets of data to test zero and train your model. You also have to determine whether your existing tools are sufficient to execute the models or if you require more advanced and faster machines. Conclusion. Data science teaches us to comprehend large and complex data in order to address real problems. If we take some basic steps, we can design robust models that give meaningful insights. Studying data science opens up the path to exciting careers and new ideas.